In South Africa, so do you guys remember when the SABC made all of the Afrikaans shows just a little bit harder to find? Yeah, they just admitted they might have messed up a little bit. Anyway, what they did was things like take Sewende Laan off of SABC2, which was an important staple to a lot of households. I remember my wife actually telling me that this is how she learned to speak Afrikaans in the first place, by watching Sewende Laan. Oh, and they also moved the Afrikaans news to a very weird late time slot on a different channel. It was almost like they wanted to make it disappear completely. Well, guess what? They've just come out and basically said, oh yeah, you know what, that was probably a bit of a big oops that we did. So it was reported that they admitted that they made all those changes without actually asking viewers what they wanted. No research or anything like that. It was just a, let's try this and see what happens kind of scenario. So now after years of complaining, they're doing a complete and total U-turn. The Afrikaans news is coming back to its normal time at 6:30 in the evening, and they also promised new Afrikaans shows on top of that. But the question now is, after being ignored for so long, will viewers and their families actually even come back? Besides that, most people are streaming these days, so what they want to watch, they just stream it. And those who can still afford it, has access to Afrikaans content on DStv. So tell me, what do you guys think of this? Do you think it's too late to win back the Afrikaans audiences? Sorry, let me rephrase quickly. Dink julle dit is so effe te laat vir die SABC om hulle Afrikaanse kykers terug te wen? En ook, wat se tipe programme moet hulle dalk uitbring of terugbring? Laat my weet in die comment section. Let me know in the comment section and yeah, let's talk about it.